Hey, it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week, we're looking at a particular type of reveal folder that is great for organizing information in creative ways. I've got 3 different designs to compare, so let's take a closer look. First up is a compact brochure that starts out as a closed gatefold, but then opens to 4 lift and reveal panels. Each panel is boldly labeled and organized, and all 4 panels are short so that each panel is easy to lift and so that the bottom can feature one large question. Next is a self-mailing invitation to a fundraiser, and in designing the reveal panels to fold down instead of up, the panels form a pocket for the response materials. Like the previous sample, each panel has a content theme to organize the information, but in this version, each panel holds a constellation design that forms a word. You'll also notice this design uses a single fold to close versus the closed gatefold in the previous sample. Neither is better than the other, they're just different. Lastly, I'm bringing this one back from episode 475 to compare with the other 2. This design uses a roll fold, probably my favorite configuration of this format, and you'll notice that they skipped the reveal on the first panel and chose only 3 of the panels for reveals. I really like how the left interior panel introduces the theme, and then the 3 reveal panels are a cool discovery as you open the brochure. All 3 of these are quite similar in size and format, but the smaller design choices they made are the real differentiators. For example, the choice between a roll fold, a gate fold, and a single fold, or the choice to lift the panels up or down to reveal the content. And then I pointed out that the first 2 samples had 4 reveal panels and the last one only had 3. There were also important design decisions made about the length of the reveal panels. I chose these 3 to compare because all of these samples have shortened panels. So how short or how long should they be? By the way, short panels are not a requirement. Episode 582 features a brilliant rolling reveal design where none of the panels have short folds. Lots to think about. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.